Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, the next step is to remove the 2 rear engine mounts. Same thing, we loosened them off last episode. It is 12mm on the head of the bolt and there's no room for a socket. It's 13mm on the back. It does say in the book to loosen this. I assume that's to get these to come apart. I'm going to see if there's any movement. I might need to undo this, but nut bolt and washer. And this one's tucked down away out the way, so it's
it's not a scream, it's a low, steady drum. 500 cc's getting ready to run. And it goes dug, dug, dug down the road, carrying the weight of a
you need octopus fingers again. Nut. Washer. And bolt. Okay, felt the engine move slightly. So I'll just put these bolts down here, back and front. Now I'll just check to see if there's what else. Has it got the big one through the centre here? And that may be all. Okay, yep. This big one is 17. Same thing, we loosened it last episode. The other side's turning. It's 13 on this side. Okay, I think it's just this and then the motor may be free. Let's see how we go. Okay, this long one I just undid. also holds the side kickstand on. So I'm going to sit that down all together. And let's see if the motor lifts or drops. Okay, I think I am going to need to move these out of the way so the motor can come up slightly. It can't go forward because of here. It won't go down. Unless I can slide the motor sideways. If it's maybe. Just needs to go up slightly, I think. No, I think I am going to have to move these. It's catching on the frame this side. It needs to come up before it can go sideways. And it can't drop down because the frame's in the way. So okay, that's 19. So hopefully I can just loosen that and these will swing out the way. The other side is starting to turn, so now I just need to find the socket. So okay, I think that might be an 18, so I'm going to need a spanner. Okay, so it's 18 on the head, 19 on the nut. Okay, that's one out the way. That one might be okay. Although, as I jack it up, I can pivot it, I think. I'm thinking out loud. And I think we have another plug to still disconnect. It's just a single wire. Okay, it's catching there, so it can't really go up. Okay, let's try slowly going down. Okay, that. I'm glad you can see maybe the front will just lower down as that. I just need the back to clear, but the back has to come up a fair way. It needs to rotate. Maybe if I bring that up to, okay, I don't want to lift it off the frame. Free at last.